Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a beautiful 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom villa for sale. It is located on Mammee Bay Beach Road, St. Anne. It sits on 0.89 acres of land. This villa has a private pool, a beautiful garden, and spacious living and dining rooms. It also has access to the Mammee Bay private beach. This villa is near the Ocho Rios town, Dunn's River Falls, Dolphin Cove, Mystic Mountain, and other attractions. If you need a home that is family oriented and is situated in a quiet area, this is the place to be. Make this house your home. Guys, let's take a look at this villa, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this villa is US 1.5 million or Jamaican $230.8 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.